Whether you're starting a new YouTube channel, rebranding an existing one, or just looking to freshen up your online presence, a killer logo is an absolute must. But what if I told you that you don't need to break the bank or have mad design skills to create one? That's right. Today, I'll be sharing the top 5 free AI tools that can help you design a stunning channel logo in no time. These tools leverage the power of artificial intelligence to make logo design accessible to everyone. From intuitive interfaces to smart design suggestions, these platforms have it all. And the best part, they're absolutely free. So stick around as we dive into each tool, explore their features. Let's get started. First on the list is DALL-E 3. It's made by OpenAI. This tool is amazing because you can create pictures just by typing what you want. For example, if you type a cat in a spacesuit, DALL-E 3 will make it for you. It's free to use with some limits each month. To Stable Diffusion. Next, we have Stable Diffusion. This tool is great for making high-quality images. You can use it to create art, design logos, or even make funny memes. It's also free to use, but you might need to sign up. CANVA.AI. CANVA.AI is another awesome tool. Canva has been popular for graphic design, and now it has AI features. You can make posters, social media posts, and more. The AI helps you create stunning images quickly. Canva AI offers a free plan with many features. For ARTBREEDER. ARTBREEDER is a cool tool where you can mix images together. You can blend photos of people, animals, or landscapes to make something new. It's very creative and lots of fun. Best of all, it's free to use. 5. Deep Dream Generator. Last but not least is Deep Dream Generator. This tool is known for making trippy, dreamlike images. You can upload a photo and the AI will transform it into a surreal piece of art. It's perfect for creative projects, and it's free with some usage limits. So, there you have it. These are the top 5 free AI image creation tools in 2024. Give them a try and see what amazing images you can create. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool tech tips. Thanks for watching.